Name's Dave Scrivens, and I'd like to dive a little bit into myth number 2. You can power your car with hydrogen. That's what everybody thinks because of the old kits. They generate volumes and volumes of gas, and people see it and say, "Oh my God!" Wrong. You can never power an ice with hydrogen gas. An ice is specifically engineered and designed to burn gasoline. Can't do it with hydrogen. It's impossible. A lot of people think that. They see our kits, we use 1/10 of the gas, but we interface to the motor properly. So there's something going on there, because if you have to run an 8-cylinder motor with big volumes of gas like the old kits produce, even though it only works 2% of the time or 1%, and then you take our kit, you put it on, they produce 500 milliamperes instead of 14 amperes of gas for the motor. Something's up. So that's myth number 2. You cannot power your car with hydrogen gas. There's a big misconception there. Sorry, been doing it for 8 years, had 4 vehicles that work with Fuel Genie systems, had a few customers. That's myth number 2, but you see the spin on all this stuff, right? Myth number 3 coming soon. Thank you.